Hi, I'm Lucy Edwards, Director of Strategic Engagement at Metaport and PHD Studios. And today we are at Prestige International Real Estate and at Properties. And my guest is Thad Wong. And Thad, you are the co-CEO and co-founder
Yes.
of at Properties. So let's talk a little bit about your success story and how you started. And just a few words about, let's go back when you were 7.
When I was 7. A lot of people find it interesting that both of my parents are PhD psychologists. And I'm an only child and they were divorced. And so, people always think there was over analysis of my childhood, which there really wasn't. There was a tremendous amount of love, an exceptional amount of acceptance and encouragement. And I guess it was a different household when you have psychologists as parents, because if they say, "How are you?" you don't get away with just answering fine and going into your room. There's always a deeper question, the second, third question. So I think as I grew up with having those types of parents, I grew up with a better understanding of how to communicate and develop closeness with people through learning and listening and asking more detailed questions, probably through them for sure.
And I understand you have 4 children.
Yeah.
So you share the same direction with your kids?
I do. Yeah. It's almost a carbon copy. I lost my dad, who was my best friend in 18. But the two of us were really close, more as friends, because I grew up with my mom. And my mom is a traditional mom, but I rely on her for, work ethic. She instilled love and a lot of those things. And then I had a different relationship with my dad. And so with my kids, it's a little bit of the combo. I'm the hands-on parent, but I'm also the close friend and confidant. So so far it's worked out pretty well.
Well, it's beautiful.
Thanks.
Yeah, and it's great that you have such wonderful relationship with your kids and they want to come home, they want to spend time with you.
Yeah.
So that's, you're doing something right.
I hope so. Yeah, it's a very, very close-knit group.